That's all we got.
Oh, that was it.
Golly! What's up, Prodigy Lifestyle? Welcome back to the channel where trucks are built and dreams are fulfilled. Chase is gonna hate that. It's another beautiful day in Georgia, raining and wet, and I'm eating a banana. Today, Chase is doing some upgrades to a truck, so you're gonna stay tuned. All right, got Chase some sugar-free Red Bull. That's his go-to. So we're gonna give him some wings today. Also, real quick, let me pick up the camera and show you something. 10,000 likes and we build this truck. I mean, it's beautiful. 4-door, black, Toyota Tacoma 2001. It's already got a 3-inch lift, it just needs some bigger tires. Chase has not agreed to this, but if there's 10,000 likes, we're gonna upgrade the Tacoma. Right, Chase? Let's get to Defiant Motorsports, see what Chase is up to. We'll catch you there. Boom. What's up?
I wasn't reading instructions.
I got you this.
Hell yeah.
Guess what I told the viewers?
What's that?
10,000 likes and we upgrade the Tacoma.
Oh, you gonna fit these on it?
Yeah, look at these.
Those are actually going on the truck.
No way.
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Nah, I'm joking. Alright, we gotta give these guys a shout out because they sent us this. We did pay for it, but they gave us a good discount on it. So, huge shout out to Hornblasters. And this is a train horn. So we're gonna make some videos with it later today. And if you go out here, come check it out. So the Humvee won't be drivable on the road. So now we got a new towing system and a gooseneck to pull it around everywhere. So we got a similar train horn, and this is the bracket. This actually goes where the spare tire used to be at. The little doohickey thing goes down, catches it, and then pulls it up. So we did away with the spare tire. We got a few more things we got to put together, so we're gonna finish it up. Start the montage.
I think it's time to put them in their place. I'ma have to set them straight. You don't know me, you don't know where I'm from, or what I had to do to get this plate. Hey, let me paint a picture. Everybody dissing, acting like it wasn't cool to listen. Now look at me. I say now look at me. Let me get it started. Yo, the rhyme's been the dumbest since day one. Said I want this then my mama said pray son. I ain't got no hidden motives. I'ma get a bullet, fill it with some folders, then pull that until they wake up. Straight up.
Alright guys, so we finally got it assembled. It took us about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and get it installed. Alright guys, so from here you just pretty much slide it under and then you raise it up with a spare tire jack. Finally got it wired up, the horn blaster. Now it's filling up with air. We're about to blow it. That's what I'm saying.
I'll sell you a lift if I can change my own tire.
That's right.
Look straight.
Yeah.
Alright, tighten it up.
Tell me when, because I got
A little bit more.
damn.
Alright, that's probably all your winch has in it.
Oh, those horns are cheap. They're plastic. They're not gonna be loud. I'm like, okay.
Well, that's what I felt. I'm like, plastic?
It's ABS. I ran over one with a Ranger and it doesn't break. Like they're good quality.
That's what Trev said. You can run it over and it ain't.
I mean, maybe not a truck, but like I said, we ran over one with a Polaris Ranger and it didn't. And
Yeah.
you can see the white line of where it was stressed, but it didn't crack or break.
You about to blow it?
Yeah.
That's all we got.
Oh, that was it.
Golly! Jeez!
I didn't think it'd be that loud.
Dude, that's louder than I thought it would be. I mean, I can see why people like just jump out of their
cool.
socks.
Dude,
God.
my left ear is like.
Bro, yeah, I was like. Well, Chase.
There she is. All right, so it's Q&A time. So if you follow me on social media, you know I did a Q&A and asked questions, and I'll answer it. Jason Simmons 207 said, didn't you buy the Camaro from Ryan? Do you still have it? No, I don't have it. Yes, I did buy it, but no, I don't have it no more. And for the Camaro that he's talking about, I had a 1,000+ horsepower race car. It was pretty sick. I'll actually insert a clip or a video or picture right here. Yeah, I sold it, and the guy that I sold it to, he actually got T-boned by a drunk driver one night and totaled it like a year ago, so sad ending for it. Proud Florida Man says, has your plan for the F250 changed at all, or are you still planning on getting the Denali? Yeah, it's changed because... Do what? Oh, you ruined it! Oh, I'm joking, man. Alright, so yeah, the plan has changed. We are keeping the 250. People are proud of their Denalis, so when I saw the prices of them, I could afford it, but did I want the payment? No. So I decided to keep my truck and just fix it up. Plus, I need a good tow rig, and I felt like something that was going to be lifted up on 40s isn't practical to pull a gooseneck trailer. So we are keeping the F250 and building it. As the Brave, or M. Cochran 2003 said, is the Brave Humvee getting a 12-valve or a Duramax? Watch the last video and you'll find out. That guy, the real. How did you find out about Demo's Humvee? So I was actually in the market for a Humvee, and I was looking at custom combat trucks already. I knew of Demolition Ranch. I watched some of his videos. I knew of the Humvee, and then when I found out that Demolition Ranch brought his Humvee to Georgia, I was like, hey, let's just snag that one up. One, because I knew it was taken care of and it didn't have any major issues, and also it was only like an hour away from my house, so I called up Matt Speed, drove there the next day and bought it, and that was it. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the Q&A. I only had like 4 or 5 questions. So make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. If you want to ask us any kind of questions, we will answer them gladly. But we want to keep you guys involved with everything through the whole process, and along with it, the growth of this channel. So that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys like the new additions to the 250, and we have more coming, but the big addition is coming. I think it's be here next week for the Humvee. It will be drivable, but it won't be road legal. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
So now you're doing your thing, staying true to the game. But keep your stuff, don't get consumed by the fame. When you make the cut, what you gon' do with the pain? They gon' come to you for the flame, but still try to ruin your name. Don't loosen your aim. Way too much drive just to cruise in the lane. Got the screw in the drink. I might go to Houston and swing, yeah. Feeling like the best since the second that I came here. Now I'm finna flex on top of Texas, I was made here.